Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. I'm back with another video. Yeah. Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when your girl uploads a video. Yeah. Anyway guys, if you guys are new to my channel, I am a lifestyle beauty fashion blogger, and yeah, I do hope you guys enjoy my channel and everything. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? You good? How you doing?
How you doing? Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, I have got another unboxing for you, my GlossyBox unboxing, and this time is my October unboxing. I am so excited. And there's two different boxes. There's the Enchanted Spirit, Enchanted Spirit and Midnight Fantasy. So guys, my box is here and I actually got the Enchanted Spirit. As you can see, the box is beautiful. I do like the little, and you guys know that purple is my favorite color, so yes, I'm feeling this box, and I love this all around it and everything, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. So it's got this little booklet that it normally has, and it's, as you can see, that's what I mean, that's the Enchanted Spirit and then the Midnight Fantasy. Let's see. So there's this little number in there. So this is number 1. We've got the Beauty Cube Stargazing Blush Duo. So I'm just gonna get it out for you guys to show you if I can actually get it out. There we go. So yeah, it's just this little blush duo, and that's cute. And this retails for £18. Yes, so that's cute. And this is the full size of the product. Right, so that's 1, 2. We've got this little number here. It's a little lipstick, and it's called Luna by Luna. And it's a pixie lipstick, and this retails for £15. So I'm just gonna get this out for you. That looks like a cute shade. That's a cute little shade right there. That's cute. So yeah, so there's Luna by Luna, and like I said, that retails for £15. And then we have this little number here, and I think this is called, I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce this right, Ilma Quaisa. I'm not really sure how to pronounce the product name, but I will put it on the screen. But yeah, this is a Hydro Veil Primer. And yeah, this is a deluxe mini. So yeah, this is a deluxe mini, as you can see. And this is a Hydro Veil Primer, and yeah, that's it in there. So obviously you take this off and you've got the little primer inside. So this retails, this little veil primer retails, the deluxe mini, which is 7 ml, is worth £10, and the full size is £34. And then we've got this right here. So this is by Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and this is a Stardust Foaming Bath Powder. And yeah, so it's Fairy Dust Foaming Bath Powder in Lavender. And yeah, so this is for $5.99. And last but not least, we have this little number here, and I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Yeah, so we've got this little number here, and this is by AHC. So yeah, this is by AHC, and this is Essential Real Eye Cream for Face, and this is also a deluxe mini. Details, so that's what it is in the little tube, and the deluxe mini is 10 ml and it retails for £8.66. The full size is 30 ml and that retails for £26. So yeah, that's all my little products from GlossyBox this month. It has been exciting and I can't wait to try everything out in here. I wonder what, like, I can't smell it through all this packaging and everything, but I can't wait to smell this little lavender product. And we've got a little complimentary little chocolate as well again, and I'm feeling this. Yes, I do need chocolate in my life right now, so yes, I'm excited to have this little chocolate. I almost missed that, you know, it was hiding in the corner. But anyway guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you've not done so already, and I don't know why, please do make sure to subscribe to your girl's channel, and also turn on post notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video guys. Bye.